I'm here at Alresford today where we're running trains but not exactly for passengers and not a goods train for the railway. Something a little bit different. Aside from running passenger trains and goods services for the railway itself and light loco movements, a few railways do what we call photographic charters, where a group will charter a train and a certain amount of wagons or carriages to perform run parts and recreate that fantastic old railway feel. Today we have the visiting Prarie locomotive on a goods train doing a Plandampf style charter. Now, when I first heard this word, I was thinking, what's Plandampf? So to explain a little better than I have, I shall pass you over to Steve, a volunteer here and one of the charter organisers for Hants Charters.
My name's Steve, I'm half of Hants Charters. We're here today running a Plandampf style charter. But what is a Plandampf, I hear you say? Well, a Plandampf is a concept of using steam locomotives on everyday service trains. It'd be like turning up at Winchester for your 7:15 to London and finding a Bullier Pacific on it, while Cheltenham pulls in with a local to Portsmouth on the other platform. The concept started in East Germany using redundant communist steam locomotives and has been a big hit. We've adapted the style slightly, so what we're doing today is we are following a goods train, recreating a pickup goods from Alresford up to Alton and then back down here to Ropley, photographing from the stations as shunting operations are carried out, coaling, watering, just like it would have been 50 years ago. So today, particularly being in mind COVID restrictions, we are travelling on a separate train. We have a heritage diesel, the class 20, pulling a stock of passenger stock, which we're in, and then we get out at the station, the stock pulls out, we photograph the train, we get back on, disappear off, the train follows us up, and we repeat at the various stations along the line, all the while watching, as I said, typical shunting operations occurring. As far as I know, the Hants are the only railway to do this style of charter. We did a successful one June last year, and we're recreating that with a different loco, visiting Prarie 5526. But I think that's indicative of the go-ahead Hants, that we are the first to do this.
So there you are, guys, something a little bit different, and it's just wonderful to see the recreation of a steam freight train shunting around, picking up goods, dropping off wagons. It's just a fantastic experience, and it's exactly why these charters are so popular. Now, if you would like to join on one of these charters as a photographer or videographer, the email to contact is right here. The guys at Hants Charters really are fantastic. As I say, they are volunteers here, part of the wagon group, so they love getting the freight train out. But I think there's only one way we can really end this, is with some footage of the charter. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Steve for talking to us, and we shall see you next time.